Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed a Starline Stealth S5 system, which is a canvas and analog immobiliser which uses push sequence buttons on the steering wheel or the customer's phone, along with insurance approved S5 tracking, which is also paired to the customer's phone as a form of authorisation. If someone hopped in the vehicle, tried to start it without putting in a PIN code, the vehicle will start up, but as soon as they go to select a gear, the vehicle stalls. So they need to pass what's called authorisation. This can be done using a push sequence on the steering wheel or by pairing up the customer's phone with Bluetooth adjustable range. In terms of the tracker, if the customer's phone's not here and it's paired up, and someone gets in with a cloned key, starts the vehicle up, the customer will be informed. So if the customer's phone isn't present and they need to start up the vehicle and drive it, so what you've got to do, ignition on, start the vehicle up, put the push sequence in. For now we've set 1, 2, 3. Get our disarm melody, and now we'll select a gear and you can drive the vehicle as normal. Obviously, if the customer wants to change the code, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any combination, and this is how it's done. So on this vehicle, triple press on the ignition to get the ignition on without starting the vehicle, disarm the system, got our disarm melody. Now press any button 5 times, ignition off and back on. Like I said, this vehicle is a triple press. We'll get 5 bleeps. This is now ready to learn the code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3 for now. We'll wait for a confirmation. Now repeat that again. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. And that's the code learned. So we'll just turn the car off, give it 10 seconds to automatically arm, and then we'll try the old code. You'll see that doesn't work, so we'll start again and try the new code. So we'll start the vehicle up, old code, we don't get our disarm melody, so now we'll do the new code. Disarm tone, we can drive the vehicle. If the customer wants to take this vehicle for service at any point, can take it back to BMW and they need to drive it around the workshop, and obviously he doesn't want to give them the push sequence and doesn't want to give them the phone. This is how you put it into service mode. So ignition on, disarm the system with your push sequence. 1, 2, 3. Get our disarm tone. Now press any button 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn the ignition off and turn it back on. We'll get 2 bleeps. So this is now a normal car. So this is in service mode, as if the immobiliser doesn't exist. They'll start it up. You won't get a disarm tone. You can select a gear as normal, and the vehicle behaves as if there's nothing fitted to it. When you get the car back from service and obviously want it protected, all you do is ignition on, put in your disarm code. We'll receive our melody. So we'll receive 2 bleeps confirming it's out of service mode, and now this vehicle is protected again. So we'll just show you that one last time. So we start the vehicle up, we've taken it out of service mode. So if we just start it up now, it's out of service mode. As soon as we go to select a gear, you see the car turns off. So if you want to get any of these fitted, whether that be the Starline Stealth, the Starline Stealth S5 or Starline Stealth S7, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.